In this video, you are going to know about 3 best AI deepfake tools and friends. After watching this video, you will say the same thing to me in the end.
And I gotta tell you, it was perfect. Perfect. Everything, down to the last minute details.
But let me tell you that this video is only for educational purpose, and in this era of AI and deepfake, you should know which tools are available in the market with which such videos can be made. So without any delay, let's get started with tool number 1, which is AKool. Friends, to use this tool, first of all, we have to search AKool DeepFake. Then we have to click on this first website. After that, friends, we have to click on login, and we will log in here with our Google account. Something like this. Now friends, I will upload a video by clicking on choose file, on which I will swap my face. For example, I will upload this video. Our video will be uploaded in a few seconds. It will go and it will automatically detect all the faces in your video. But in this video, there was only one face, so it has detected it. Now friends, I will upload my image in front of these faces. After doing this, you have to click on high quality face swap, and friends, to see the output, we will click on results. So after waiting for a few minutes, it has created a video like this for us. Comment and tell us how you like this deepfake AI tool. You can also download this video by clicking on these 3 dots. Now let's move to tool number 2, which is Reface AI. For this, you have to search on your web browser Reface AI. Then after coming to this website, we have to click try out on the web. Well, these tools are not completely free, but you get some credits in it. But friends, the tool number 3 is completely free, so don't miss the end. Now let's continue with our tool number 2. After coming here, you have to click on swap faces. Then we will click on add a photo and video. After that, sign in with your Google account by clicking on sign in. Friends, here you will get 5 credits. This means that you can create 5 videos. You can create more than 5 using multiple accounts, so let's move ahead. Here we will upload a video by clicking on the plus icon. For example, I will upload this video. Friends, in this video, it has detected 2 faces. Although both the faces are the same, so I will add my face here by clicking on add face. Something like this, then we will click on the swap faces. After that, friends, within a minute it will create a deep fake video of us. Tell us by commenting how you like this deepfake video. Now let's move to tool number 3, friends. We will use tool number 3 through Google Colab, and this is a Google Colab notebook on which you can directly come by clicking on the link given in the description. And after coming here, first of all you have to click on connect, then we will click on the icon of this file. After that, friends, by clicking on this upload icon, you can upload your source image, which means the image which you want to put on your video. And you will upload a video. Keep in mind that the bigger your video is, the more time it will take to create a video. So do not upload a very long video. After the video and image are uploaded, we will click here, and friends, if you see some errors like this, then ignore them. And friends, after waiting for up 4 minutes, finally this code has been executed. But you see that my video is still getting uploaded because I had uploaded a large video. So before coming to the next step, we have to wait for our video to get uploaded successfully. So friends, after the video is uploaded, you can use any one of these 2 codes, but if you use the second code, the output of your video will be much more upscaled and its quality will be much better. So for now, I will use the second code only. Friends, before running this code, you have to copy the path of your source image, which we had just uploaded. So by clicking on these 3 dots, I copy the path of my source image. Friends, we will paste our image path in these inverted commas. Something like this. After this, we have to copy the path of our video. Then we will paste it in the middle of these inverted commas. Something like this. Now friends, half of our work is done. So now finally, we have to click on this play icon. And now we have to wait for about 20 to 25 minutes. But don't worry, you will not have to wait. I have done this for you. Friends, after waiting, the code is finally executed. You will find your deepfake video in this folder named group. So we click on this folder, and here is our video, whose name is facerestoredvideo.mp4. By clicking on these 3 dots, we will click on download, and keep in mind that it will take time to download. So you have to be patient in this process, and here is our downloaded video. Comment and tell us which tool you found the best among these 3 tools. If you found this video informative, then like, comment and definitely subscribe to the channel and tell us that. What are your thoughts on deepfake and the future of artificial intelligence? Thank you so much for watching.